Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is Jerry, and today I'll quickly show you how to set up your time on your MG cars. So this is the vehicle for MG HS, but if you're driving the MG ZST, MG ZS or MG3, it's going to be pretty much the same or similar. So what you want to do, you need to find a setup. In some particular menus, it might locate on the left, it might locate even on the second screen if you swap the whole screen left. So just as long as you find the setup, you will be able to set the time easily. So click the setup and make sure you go to the time on the very left. Then you can see this is our time right now. Obviously we can change it whenever we like. So if your vehicle is equipped with the GPS or inbuilt navigation, in another way, you can enable the on for GPS sync, but the GPS sync does not have your summer time or winter time, which is something in New Zealand you have to manually change. So once you enable the GPS sync, you cannot manually change it. So what you want to do, just make sure it's off, then manually swipe up and down to change your time, whichever you like, and change your date, whichever you like, all that things as well. On the top, we can do the time format, 12 hours, which is short AM or PM, and or 12 hours or 24 hours. And when you enable the GPS sync, in some vehicles, you're able to choose the time zone. That allows you to select all the time zone. So this is obviously the New Zealand time zone. So this is okay. It works fine just like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it about how to set your time. And hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it's helpful. Please subscribe and like if you enjoy other MG tutorial or anything like that. And see you next video.